Today, I'm super excited to show you a simple and effective way to change your voice pitch using the CapCut app. First things first, make sure you have the CapCut app installed on your mobile phone. Now let's start by creating a new project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Got your video loaded? Great. Now let's get straight to changing the voice pitch. Firstly, tap on your sound, then click on voice effects. Here you can choose various options of voice effects here. Feel free to play around and preview the effects to find the perfect one for your video. Feel free to explore these options to make your video sound exactly how you want it. And there you have it, folks. Changing your voice pitch in CapCut is as easy as that. Whether you're looking to add some humor with a chipmunk voice or aiming for a dramatic effect with a deeper tone, CapCut has got you covered. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe